our last story today, we want to share something truly amazing.
Taco Bell's Flaming Hot Doritos Locos Tacos.
No.
Israel's window washing TikTok star?
No.
Okay, just tell me.
Art made out of leaves.
Art made out of leaves? That's easy. While you tell the viewers, I'll be over here making my own leaf art.
Don't mind Oscar. Prepare to be amazed. When COVID-19 struck, 23-year-old Mary Mae Dacanay from the Philippines lost her factory job. Looking for a way to make more money, Mary decided to take one of her favorite pastimes, art. Unfortunately, she had a hard time finding canvases to paint on, so she had to find another material, leaves. She uses leaves from a jackfruit tree outside of her house to create celebrity leaf art. Using a box cutter, she cuts the leaves to reveal well-known faces. Let's take a look at her art and see if we can recognize anyone famous.
I charge around 400 pesos for one piece of leaf art. It used to be just 200 pesos.
Bale, dati nag-start po ako sa...
I charge higher depending on the amount of details, which can make it more difficult to make.
Sa po kasi ang pinapagawa po sa akin ay sobrang hirap po talaga.
After gaining thousands of followers on Facebook, Mary has sold hundreds of pieces of leaf art for about 400 pesos each, which is only about $8 US. Although that seems crazy cheap, starting this business has allowed her to provide for her family while not working 7 days a week plus overtime at a factory. I wonder if she can make one of Zendaya. Well, I'm back. How's your art looking?
Perhaps I was wrong. Celebrity leaf art is actually pretty cool.
How's mine?
Hey, that's cheating.